My name is Ashutosh. I did my BBA Law LLB degree from the Institute of Law, Nirma University in 2018. I graduated in 2018. Currently, I'm practicing in Delhi at a law firm, in a litigation law firm. We also do advisory work. First of all, with respect to the Law Seco, I have heard about the various good things about the Law Seco, about its course, about its curriculum, and the way they presented the material. And when I enrolled, the second thing is why I enrolled for corporate taxation, because I have an interest in taxation and I wanted to know the specifics about the taxation, how it works. Because for the first time there is such a platform called Law Seco, or specifically Law Seco, which tells you about your desired law and its nitty-gritties. So the corporate taxation, when I took in, I wanted to know about how the corporate taxation actually works. What is capital gain, how the corporates are taxed and all that. And that is why I enrolled in the course. And fortunately, so far I've been impressed by the material provided. So with regarding the corporate taxation course, I learned a lot of things. For example, how the income tax work functions in these 5 different heads, like salaries, corporate taxation, capital gain, and other things. Secondly, how corporate taxation actually works. What is MAT, MET? What is alternative taxation? How trusts can be are taxed? How the partners of a firm are taxed? How the taxation takes place in directors and remuneration of directors. These are the things that I learned through the course, and these are the things that the course taught me well. Yes, sure, because the course teaches you all these things, and because the course at the first place give you the basic understanding what corporate taxation is all about, and even before corporate taxation, they teaches you the basics of the taxation, so that you will be able to understand the major concept. For example, I took corporate taxation, so in that regard, corporate taxation. Now, how I am using it in my practice is that in the firm that I'm working, we do a lot of advisory work and a lot of taxation work. So when even being a graduate in 2018 itself, when my partner gave me a proposition that we need to find out laws on this proposition, I am very well equipped with the basic understanding because of the course material, so that I can tell my partner need not to work on me that, look, in this chapter, in this act, you will find this provision, or this corporate taxation means this, remuneration means this, because all that thing I already know. So that is the basic thing that I know already, and from there I can shoot off to the main thing that my partner asks. So that really helps. Yeah, so that is another platform of the this Law Seco, where the material has been provided to you. Apart from that, they give you the they are ready to give you feedback. So what happens is, because it is an online course, so definitely if you read this material, you will be juggling through many shows, and while going through the study material, you have the problems. So you can send them the issues, your problems, and they will send you the reply, in which you can easily comprehend what actually the issue was, how it can be resolved. And the good thing about the Law Seco is that apart from the study material, the assignments that they have given, the way they have chosen to give the assignments, because they do not use the regular study material, like from first chapter they will ask first question, the first question will come from first chapter, second from second chapter. They will give you a problem, they will tell you, this is, you can find in this modules, you have to read it like a lawyer. So it inculcates a habit of analytical thinking also. So that also helps. And yes, the feedback is good. Whenever you have a problem, you can raise the query and they will give you the reply. Apart from like being a lawyer, having an interest in taxation, I did corporate taxation, but currently I am also doing one more course with the Law Seco, that is in transfer pricing. Who can do these course? Anyone who have an interest in the course offered by the Law Seco, because as far as my understanding goes, the courses are designed in a way that every person can understand its language. The feedback is good. The people really they push you from the Law Seco. It was very I must say this, not I'm not promoting law psycho, but it is the fact that I lost the track of the course in between because of the work and various other reasons. But people from the law psycho kept my phone ringing that, sir, please kindly, you have only 3 articles left, your course will be completed and all that stuff. So it is good encouraging platform, and anyone who has an interest in law field, who wants to know, even those who are non-lawyers wants to know how the law works and what does actually these terms means that we use in the law, can do the law, can do these courses, and the language they use is very pretty easy, and the way they teaches you is really good.